Number 1 Quebec, turn left heading 280, vector to the downline.
Left 280, 1 Quebec.
November 1 Quebec, advise when you have the Fort Pierce Airport in sight. 12 to 1 o'clock and 7 miles.
Inside for 1 Quebec.
For 1 Quebec, clear bridge approach, turn to 10 right, maintain 2000 till advised by the tower.
For the visual, 10 right, and maintain 2000 till advised by tower for 1 Quebec.
November 1 Quebec, contact Fort Pierce Tower 128.2, we'll see you later.
Maintain 2, 1 Quebec today.
Cherokee 0 Alpha Charlie, traffic departs prior to your arrival, Duchess.
Alpha Charlie.
Fort Pierce Tower, Caravan November 1 Quebec is at 2000 with you for the visual 10 right.
Caravan 1 Quebec, Fort Pierce Tower, make right traffic, runway 10 right.
Traffic 10 right for 1 Quebec. And Tower 1 Quebec, did you want me to maintain 2000?
And number 1 Quebec, cancel altitude restrictions and runway 10 right, continue. Traffic will be holding in position.
Okay, cancel the altitude restriction and continue for 10 right, 1 Quebec.
Cessna 350, runway 10 left, clear to land.
10 left, clear to land, 904, 35 Zulu.
Duchess 90 Mike, left turn northeast, bound approved.
Northeast bound approved, 509 lane. 5090 land, can we continue eastbound X-ray?
Duchess 90 Mike, I understand you wanted to make a left turn northeast, you just want to go east now?
Yeah, just east, 90 Mike.
90 Mike, that's approved as requested.
Approved, 90 Mike.
Cherokee 453 November Delta, Fort Pierce Tower, you ready to go?
Ready to go, 3 November Delta.
Cherokee 3 November Delta, runway 10 right, line up and wait. Traffic on the downwind being the numbers, a Caravan.
Line up and wait, 10 right, 3 November Delta.
Cherokee 0 Alpha Charlie, turn right on runway 14, contact ground on the numbers.
Full time right on 14, contact ground on the numbers, 620 Alpha Charlie.
Cherokee 3 November Delta, left turn northeastbound approved, runway 10 right, cleared for takeoff.
10 right, clear for takeoff, left turn course approved, 3 November Delta.
Caravan 1 Quebec, runway 10 right, cleared to land. Traffic on the opposite base, lands parallel.
Clear land 10 right for 1 Quebec.
Fort Pierce Tower, Cessna 739 Papa Golf. About under localizer, runway 10 right.
All right, I got the call sign Cessna 739 Papa Golf, Fort Pierce Tower. I understand you're on a practice ILS approach to runway 10 right. Is this going to be full south?
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
739 Papa Golf, and we're past Sata.
Cessna 739 Papa Golf, roger, runway 10 right, continue.
Continue, 739 Papa Golf, thanks.
Cessna 9 Papa Golf, missed approach instructions. After your low approach, turn right, fly heading, turn right, fly heading 190.
Approach 190, 739 Papa Golf.
And 9 Papa Golf, sorry, and after the missed approach, maintain 2000.
Roger that, 2000, 739 Polo.
Cessna 9 Papa Golf, just for the tapes, after the missed approach, turn right, fly heading 190, climb and maintain 2000.
After the missed approach, climb, turn 190 and climb to 2000, 739 Papa Golf.
Thank you.